Hello and welcome to the new video for the channel. Bitcoin is simple. If you are not a subscriber, subscribe right now so you don't miss our next videos about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. I'm recording this video just to let you guys know that it's happening, a massive sale on Ledger's website, so you can buy your Ledger Nano S and your Ledger Nano X with 30% off. So this is a very good opportunity for you to buy this device that is the best way to store your cryptocurrency. And they are offering 30% off on their entire website. So it's a very good opportunity to buy your Ledger Nano S or your Ledger Nano X just for this week. So make sure that you check Ledger's website right now and don't miss this opportunity, because I don't know if they have a limited stock available. So I highly recommend that you buy right now so you are not going to lose this opportunity, because I've never seen Ledger so cheap like that. So if you want to keep your cryptocurrency secure and safe, you better use a Ledger Nano device. It doesn't matter if you want a Ledger Nano S or a Ledger Nano X. The Ledger Nano S is cheaper, a little bit cheaper, but the Ledger Nano X is the new version. So if you want the top quality and also more space available, if you have many types of cryptocurrency and you want to store all of them, probably you're going to need the Ledger Nano X, because the Ledger Nano X has more space available to install the apps, the cryptocurrency apps. So if you want to store all your cryptocurrency, Ledger Nano X is a better option, but the Ledger Nano S is also a very good option if you want to store your cryptocurrency in a safe place. As you probably know right now, if you store your cryptocurrency in an exchange, you don't really own your coins. The exchange is the real owner of your coins. And if you want to be the real owner of the crypto assets, you really need to have a Ledger Nano S or a Ledger Nano X, because these devices are not hackable. So even if your computer gets compromised with some sort of virus or any type of malware, your coins will be safe, because you cannot get hacked using a device just like Ledger. You can't be hacked because using Ledger, you need to press a physical button to approve a transaction. In order to approve a transaction, a physical button must be pressed. Even if a hacker gets access to your computer, this hacker will not be able to press the physical buttons, so your coins will be safe. So take an action right now and buy your Ledger Nano S or Ledger Nano X, because it's very cheap right now. They are offering 30% off on their entire website. So make sure you check the link in the video description. I will put the link to the official website. You better check as soon as possible their website, because I'm not sure about the available stock for the sale. Be sure to check the video description right now. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss our next videos about Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Leave a comment, leave a like, and see you next time.